Selling burger in our front door? This is genius! So we are at Borgerrr. Yes, we are in front of someone's house and they are planning to have their own store one day. So let's first try their bacon cheeseburger. They say they used potato bun. The bacon. So this is a proper burger that I haven't tried in a long time. 9 out of 10. Animal fries. This one is a bit ordinary, sauce is same with the burger and a little bit too rich. Ground beef is also dry. 5 out of 10. El Fuego burger. Surprisingly, this one tastes like McDonald's cheeseburger and a little bit spicy. 7 out of 10. Lastly, we got the Monster cheeseburger. This one's barbecue flavor, still pretty good but a little bit dry. 8.5 out of 10. This one is a highly recommended spot. Check their page out if you want to try them. Bye bye!